sir. I want to tell you something. When I speak English, people laugh at me. I feel shy. I feel my English is not good.
I understand. Many students feel like you. But remember, people don't laugh because your English is bad. They laugh because they don't know how difficult learning is. You are brave because you are trying, and trying is the first step to success. Today we will fix your English step by step, slowly, calmly, confidently. Let's start with the simple present tense. We use it to talk about daily routine, check habits, things we do every day, formula, I, you, we, they, plus verb first form. Example, I eat. They play. We study. For he, she, it, add s or s. Example, he eats. She plays. It rains. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
He wakes up.
He wakes up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
I play football.
I play football.
He plays football.
He plays football.
Good job. Now let's create a full daily routine. Speak with me slowly. Morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Good. Now let's make it a paragraph.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Very good. School routine. Now repeat. I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I study English.
I study English.
I talk to my teacher.
I talk to my teacher.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
Full paragraph. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my teacher. I play with my friends.
I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study English. I talk to my teacher. I play with my friends.
Afternoon routine. Repeat. I come home at 1 o'clock.
I come home at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch with my family.
I eat lunch with my family.
I take a rest.
I take a rest.
Evening routine. Repeat. I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I help my mother.
I help my mother.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Night routine. Repeat. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Now the full routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I play. I come home. I eat lunch. I rest. I do homework. I help my mother. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I sleep.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I play. I come home. I eat lunch. I rest. I do homework. I help my mother. I watch TV. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Beautiful. This is clear, simple English. Perfect for beginners. Now let's talk about other people. Repeat after me. About my father.
About my father.
My father works in an office.
My father works in an office.
He drives a car.
He drives a car.
He drinks tea in the morning.
He drinks tea in the morning.
About my mother.
About my mother.
My mother cooks food.
My mother cooks food.
She cleans the house.
She cleans the house.
She watches TV in the evening.
She watches TV in the evening.
About my brother or sister.
About my brother or sister.
My brother goes to school.
My brother goes to school.
He plays football.
He plays football.
He studies math.
He studies math.
Great job. Let's practice English conversation. I ask, you answer. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Does your father work?
Yes, he does.
Does your mother cook food?
Yes, she does.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I do.
Excellent.
Sir, when I speak English, I feel shy. My mind goes blank.
That's normal. Let me give you 3 powerful tricks. Trick 1, speak slowly. Slow English is clear English. Speed comes later. Trick 2, use short sentences. I eat. I go. I study. These are powerful. Trick 3, practice with a mirror. Look at yourself and say, I can speak English. I am confident. I learn every day. Your confidence will grow. Let's practice a simple conversation you can use anywhere. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is.
My name is.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
I am a student. I study English.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in.
I live in.
What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
I like to read. I like to listen to music.
I like to read. I like to listen to music.
This is perfect English for beginners. Before we finish, listen to me carefully. You can speak English. You will speak English. You are improving every day. People may laugh today, but one day they will ask you, wow, how did you learn such good English? And you will say, I learned with Mr. Daily English. Be proud of yourself. Keep practicing. Never stop speaking. Thank you for watching this lesson from Mr. Daily English. If you want more powerful English lessons, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.